Hi everybody, this is a short video showing you some of the big changes which have occurred in Mintel. Mintel now has changed how you can save parts of reports, beginning with reports published after August 2023. So if you're not already familiar with Mintel, this is the old way reports used to look, and in this old way, you could quickly get the whole report by clicking on Full Report PDF, and you could get the whole data book by clicking on Data Book. Beginning in September 2023, reports now look like this. They are one long continuous scroll, and every report is broken up into sections. Now, right now, I can't see the individual sections to add to a presentation because I'm not logged into the product. If you choose not to create a Mintel account and choose not to log into the product, you can still partially print the entire report. You'll do that by going to your print option in your browser of choice. In this case, I am in Chrome, and you will hit print, and it will format the report. But the way the Mintel reports are designed, some of the content will not be available in the printout. And in this case, I'm not recommending you print to paper, print to PDF. So as we scroll down here, we can see some of the information contained is available, but there are probably going to be a few tables, charts, or graphs that fall off of the page. And here's an example on page 6. So you're going to need to make note of that and decide how you want to deal with it. The bulk of the information is going to be available to you, and you could hit print to PDF to have access to the full report without having had to create a Mintel account. Now, if you are interested in creating a Mintel account, you will do that from the Mintel homepage. You can do it either through this icon for the head on the right-hand side, or as long as this banner about improving experience is here, you can log in here to create a profile. This will actually be the same place that you will go back to when you need to log into your profile. So in this case, I already have one, so I input my email. If you don't have one yet, you're going to use your RIT email, and then you are going to set a password. Do not use your RIT password. These systems do not talk to each other, so it doesn't know your RIT password, and you should never use the same password in two places. Now, I already have a password set. I submit it. And now I am logged in to my account, and I know that because when I click on the account head, I can see my name right here. So now, if I go into a new report, let's go into the still and sparkling water report. I can grab parts of the report by clicking on an Add to Presentation link that is available at each section. Now, there are probably going to be 60 to 70 sections within a report. So that is one reason you might want to know how to print to PDF. But then you can also make note, and for the sections that have not been reproduced in the PDF, you could add them to a presentation. So let's say I realize I want this section. I would click Add to Presentation. And now I can add it to some previous folders that I've created here, or I can create a new presentation folder. So let's call this and now I've added it to that section. If I wanted to look at that section, I would simply go to My Presentations. I am looking at the sparkling water section because this is green. And now I can see I have added one section, and I can download that. I can add as many sections as I want. Again, there's probably going to be 60 to 80 sections per report. And this will download in a PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint format. If you don't have access to Microsoft PowerPoint, just upload it into Google Slides, and then you'll have the individual slides from the Mintel report. Once again, this is a change starting in September 2023. I can return to the report and continue to scroll through. So knowing how to print this as a PDF, knowing how to grab it as a presentation will be helpful for when you do not have a live web connection. You might be in transit on a bus, or maybe the internet has gone down. So it is important to harvest reports out because you may not know what your access to a live internet connection is going to be. If you have any questions about using Mintel, please contact me, Jennifer, the business librarian, and I'd love to help you out. Thank you very much.